Palm Sunday, the people did what? Waved the palms. And then Judas denied Jesus. How much money did he get? How many pieces of silver?
A lot. 3.
A lot. 30. That's right. So we have a dime, which is worth how much money? 10 cents. So 10, let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30. So you're going to take 3 dimes. 3 dimes to make 30 pieces of silver. And then Jesus did what to his disciples? He was kind and he washed their feet with a towel. So here's a towel. Then he said, this is my body, which is the bread, and this is my blood, which is the wine. So you're going to get bread and wine. Then they went to the garden, and what did they do in the garden? They prayed. So there's praying hands. But then the soldiers came, and what did they do? They took a rope and they wrapped up his hands, right? And they took him away with a rope. And what did they put on his head? What did they put on his head? A crown of thorns. That's right. That must have hurt on his head. Then he carried a cross, and they nailed him to the cross. That's right. And when he died, they took a spear and they stuck it in his side. And what came out? Blood. So Miss Joy has put blood on the spear. How about that? They took him into the tomb and they wrapped him up. They wrapped him up. They took these strips of linen and they wrapped his body up with strips of linen. You get 2 strips of linen. Then they rolled a stone in front of the grave, right? They put him in this tomb and did that. And then your last egg, Jesus is in the egg, but what are you going to do?
Yeah.
You're going to take him out of the egg because he came out of the tomb and he rose again.
1 of these and 3 of these. Okay.
Go ahead and pick one, babe. And take a cup. This is from Maundy, Thursday.
Okay. One of those. The crown they put on his head. Yeah. And the cross that he died on for us. And we didn't make it. And this is the stone that they put in front of the grave. And this is Jesus before he died on the cross.
On Palm Sunday, egg number 1. Find egg number 1. Open it up, and inside we're going to put what? What did they wave on Palm Sunday?
Palm branch.
A palm branch. You're right. So put a palm branch in there and close it up. When Judas betrayed Jesus, what did they give him?
What did they give?
Money.
Find your money.
How much money?
$30.
30 pieces of silver. Close. 30 pieces of silver. Can you find 3 dimes for me? 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
There we go.
Everybody get out egg number 3.
Ooh, what's this?
When Jesus was with his disciples, he took time and served them. What did he do? He washed their feet.
I got cup.
Who has a towel? Can you find
I got cup. Yeah.
The towel.
You got a towel?
Like he washed their feet.
Remember? Egg number 4. Can you everybody open egg number 4? Find egg number 4.
Open it up.
Open it up. After Jesus washed their feet, after the supper, he took the bread and what did he say? This is my
body and blood. I put the bread in the wine.
Good. Close it up. Good job. After they ate, they went out to a garden. You remember what it's called?
Garden like a ceremony.
And what did they do there? Okay, go ahead.
They prayed.
They prayed. Everyone get the praying hands. Can you get the praying hands? Let me see the praying hands. Good. Awesome. We're on number 6.
What happened next when he was in the garden praying? What happened?
They tied him up.
The soldiers came.
They
Because
tied him up.
Judas had sold him. So the soldiers came.
The soldiers tied Jesus up.
Number 7 is the crown of thorns. Tell me about the crown of thorns.
They smashed it on his head.
They did. Do you think that hurt?
Yes, it did.
Number 8 is the cross. Tell me about the cross.
The cross about Jesus died on the cross.
Right. Did he carry the cross?
Yes.
It was heavy. Yeah. Okay, put your cross in there.
I'll put my swap.
Thank you. Good job. Mine is the spear.
Did you do now?
Cammy, can you tell me about the spear?
They poke Jesus inside his side, and then blood came out.
Yeah,
All of it.
Put the spear in there and close it up.
There you go.
Get on top.
Good job. Okay, Chloe, what did they do with the linens?
They wrapped Jesus' body. And then they put them in the tomb. Okay, I folded, so now go in there.
He was.
Yeah, you're right. So when Lazarus rose, they had to unwrap him, right? You guys are doing great. Tell me about the stone.
So when Jesus died on the cross, they took his body and then they put it in a cave and then they put a big stone in front of it so nobody could take his body.
Last one. Now, Maurice, what about this egg? We should keep the egg what?
This egg should be empty.
Right. Why? Because Jesus
rose from the dead.
Yeah, but for today we're going to take our little Jesus and put him in there. So go ahead, take your little Jesus, put him in there. But when you get home, what are you going to do?
Take all the stuff in the other.
What do we put in number 12?
Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
You're going to put Jesus in there, but when you get home, what are you going to do? Take Jesus.
Out and then put it anywhere in your room.
And why is the last egg empty then? Because Jesus did what?
Rose again on the third day.
Jesus died on the cross for me.
Jesus rose from the